So the thing they don't tell you about cutting your hair into a bob is that you constantly wonder, what if I go shorter? So here's my curly bob to Pixie DIY transformation. I start by saying that I'm no stranger to cutting my own hair. As my longtime subscribers know, this is not new to me. I'm no professional. It's just a lot of trial and error and a serious lack of fear when it comes to switching up my hair. I can't really explain it. I've always found updos flattering for my face shape, and I think updos are a great way to kind of experiment before cutting your hair just to see if you like it. I hold most of my density, which is not a lot, at the top of my head, so this hairstyle really just felt intuitive as I was cutting. I knew I would only go as short as I could go using scissors and also considering my skill set, so the back and the sides would still have some length that would dry curly, as opposed to that shaped look. The top would also be long enough that I could rock bangs, play with colors because I knew I wanted to have some blonde highlights, and also to experiment with roller sets and maybe even finger waves too. That might be a future video. I'll note that I did this while my son was napping, so I had to move really quickly, but I'm glad I did capture this. So you'll see that my bleaching technique isn't the neatest looking, but I knew it was just the first session and I was going to lift again. After I got the look done, I knew I wanted to do my makeup and have on a really cute outfit so that I could warm up to this change pretty quickly. You know, sometimes when you just have a drastic hair change, you're not too sure, so you just have to get that little extra comfort going. That was me. So I put on all the makeup just in case I felt, that little jump scare in the mirror. But honestly, I loved it. This is my favorite hair I've ever done so far. As a busy mom these days, it's a struggle to be able to have my hair done and makeup and a cute outfit. And honestly, a lot of days I want to have all three. So this is actually making it possible because I can just wake up and do a refresh under a minute. This is just working for me right now. And you'll see in this video, the blonde variation kind of changes. And that's because as I mentioned, I did go in stages. I just wanted to be really careful because obviously that is the front of my hair. And now that is most of my hair. So if I ended up frying or getting those bangs looking a little bit too crispy, it was going to be very noticeable. So over time, I kind of just lightened over the days, and then I did bond treatments in between and stuff. But I feel like that should be its own video. Let me know, what do I call that video? Should I do like to prevent damage when dyeing, or the actual process of what I use to lift it and stuff? Tell me the best way to put that into a video for you guys. As you can see at the end, this is the lightest I am now. And now it's about doing a lot of deep treatments and stuff to get those curls popping. So I hope this transformation video was fun and exciting so we can be on this journey together of new hair for spring and summer and trying different things. I'm really excited about it. Speaking of, I'll be sharing a roundup of all my favorite curly products in an upcoming video, so make sure you have your notifications on. We've got videos coming out, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and leave any questions in the comments. Bye!